The near economic crisis situation that's brewing in China. Yes, it is the second straight month of disappointing macro data coming in from China. It forces investment banks around the world to cut their 2023 growth outlook for China. The wave of downgrades has highlighted the danger of the world's second largest economy missing its official growth target, its GDP target of around 5% expansion for the current fiscal. Let's find out what's going wrong with the Chinese economy and the kind of concerns that are brewing over there with the current Chinese crisis. And for that, my colleague in our research team, Ashesha, is joining us. If you can walk us through the problem areas that China is facing, Ashesha.
Well, yes, Chinese economy has been facing headwinds for the last many months, and the post-COVID recovery has been rather muted for the Chinese economy. Weakening consumer sentiment and weak property market is why Chinese economy has been lagging for the last many months. In fact, the month of July, economic data points for the month of July have also been lower than what the street was working with. Retail sales rose by about 2.5%, below analyst expectations of about 4.5%. Industrial productions, meanwhile, also came in at 3.7%, lower than analyst expectations of about 4.4%, and on a month-on-month basis, unemployment has also risen, which means economic data points for China have been rather muted and below what the street was working with. In fact, economists now say that the second half of the year could be worse, and Barclays has actually gone ahead and cut GDP estimates for the full year. They've cut their GDP forecast to 4.5% from their earlier estimate of about 4.9%. So the Chinese government or the policy or the central bank of China actually has gone ahead and cut key policy rates in order to boost the economy. This has come in as a surprise move where medium-term rates have been cut by about 15 basis points and they now stand at 2.5%, and short-term rates have also been cut by 10 basis points. Analysts, in fact domestic analysts now say that the best of the commodity upcycle is perhaps behind us and that headwinds are expected to continue for some more time.